Now, 3 people have died in a massive snowstorm that hit New York. Governor Kathy Hochul said that many tragedies were averted despite the magnitude of the storm, adding that she had signed a request for a federal emergency declaration to seek reimbursements for expenses on storm response.
We had originally been told 2 to 3, then possibly 3 to 4, 4 to 5, but we actually hit 6 inches an hour, which is why we believe we'll be making history with having the most amount of snowfall in a 24-hour period right here in the state of New York.
Now, along with New York, Buffalo has also been hit hard with the snowstorm. The mayor has lifted the previously imposed driving ban in some parts following the snowstorm, but the advisory says unnecessary travel should be avoided.
At this point, because we have made progress, we plan on lifting the driving ban in the eastern, northern, and western parts of the city at 2 p.m. So in the eastern, northern, and western parts of the city, we will go from driving ban to travel advisory. The driving ban will remain in effect in South Buffalo because of how heavy the snow is in that part of the community.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.